Menteri kakoi kakhia jong kejela uba el hek ula ong ba Sngew Eiei wala katang kakoi kakhia kala sya Kynthoh ha ke Bjp habai dei bat ko oxygen ha ke jaka sumar ha ke ne kejela habai klan bagi lap thai khubor uba hek ula ong ba kadei ka kamram om tang jong Bjp henrei ya kiwei ru kisang ban kedau bat Kynthoh tang ba dei ban batai ya kata ka jingduna ha ke jaka ajing sumar om ban chu Kynthoh kulum ula ong ru ba kadei ka kamram jong keseng ban trei na ke bentagi pat ba bat kedau ya ke jing bombyang ha ka rukom trekam katang kakoi kakhia bat ha kiwei kitana trekam.
This is the duty of the party, not accusing me at all. This is the duty of the party also to work for the welfare of the people. So they have done their duty. So that the party has to do, all the political party also, they are free to do their duty to work and find out whether the government is functioning or not functioning, our department is functioning or not functioning, the other department also is functioning or not functioning, is a job of the political parties. That's why I'm saying you, we have to first verify which species, CAC, which so I have to give me the specific, then I will rectify. But without knowing, cannot be generalized. If you go to which hospital, tell me, if you have specific hospital, a specific oxygen, what kind of oxygen we have, the cylinder oxygen, we have the PSA plant, we have the concentrator oxygen. What kind of oxygen? Can you just verify a little bit, and I will give you the reply accordingly. The specific,
but your own party
say I'm saying is this, I welcome the move of the Bjp. I'm very happy. They are very active. They are working for the welfare of the people. Never be friction in the party. We have one national party headed by Jingpyndonkam. We have one Meghalaya party headed by Ernest Mori. There's no friction at all in the party.